Welcome students into your fine arts painting theory class. Hope you all are fine. So students, in unit 1 we have done the origin, development and all 6 paintings of Rajasthani school in our previous videos. Now we will read about the Pahadi school and its paintings, the next topic of unit 1. We will start with the Pahadi region. So it is important to know about the Pahadi region or which region are known for the Pahadi paintings. So let's start. Rajput paintings in the region of Punjab Hills state of northern India, that is Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and some areas of Punjab and Garhwal are known as Pahadi paintings. The artists of these areas made amazing art at its time to make an effective contribution to the Indian art. And Pahadi painting is a creative combination of Gujarat manuscripts, local folk art, Mughal style and Rajasthani art. Okay, understand? Now the question is, when did the Pahadi painting originate? To know about the origin of Pahadi miniature paintings, here we should first know about the time period. So it started and developed during the 17th to mid of 19th century. Means mostly Pahadi miniature paintings are done in this time period. And as you know, these paintings are influenced by Mughal and Rajasthani art. Now the question arises, what was the subject matter and theme on which artists generally painted their paintings? Okay, so the answer is, the themes are mostly related to Radha Krishna's love, means love of God and soul, where Krishna represented as a god and Radha as a soul, and Indian womanhood and nature beauty is also the theme, which are presented by mainly famous series of Bhagavata, Gita Govinda, Ragmala, Baramasa and Bihari Satsai. So this was the origin of Pahadi school, in which we have learned about the time period, influence and theme. Now the development part, means where the Pahadi paintings developed. So these paintings developed under the different centers. These centers are also known as sub-schools. The important centers of Pahadi paintings are the Basoli school, Guler school, Kangra school, Kullu Mandi, Garhwal, Chamba, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir school of art. Now we will go through the development areas of the some important Pahadi schools. The first one is Basoli school. Basoli is the earliest center of Pahadi region. The artists were independent in selecting the subject matter of their own choice. Basoli was flourished under the King Raja Kirpal Pal. The Devi Das is main artist and Manku was also famous. The color used are mostly primary colors, means red, yellow and blue are the common colors which the artists were used at their paintings. And the theme is taken from the Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Purana, etc. And famous paintings of Basoli schools are the series of Rasa Manjaris painted by Devi Das and series of Gita Govinda painted by Manku. In features of Basoli schools, bold lines, figures are quite unique with their hues, eyes, strong glowing colors, narrow band sky, red color border are the main features. Now the next school is Guler school. Guler state is famous as the birthplace of Kangra paintings. Artist received encouragement under the patronage of Raja Dilip Singh. At that time, Nansuk was the famous artist, and mostly soft and cool colors are used in their paintings. Themes are taken from Gita Govinda, means related to Radha Krishna, and some portraits are also there. We found more number of portraits of Raja Govardhan Chand, and series of Gita Govinda, series of Bhagavata are also found. These paintings are famous for their naturalistic and delicate style. Fine lines, minute details, harmonious colors scheme is its famous characteristics. The next sub-school is Kangra school. The Guled style was followed by Kangra school. Kangra style considered as golden period in the region of Sansar Chand. Paintings are developed under the patronage of Maharaja Ranjit Singh and Sansar Chand, and Nansuk was very famous artist at that time. Mostly color scheme was very brilliant, and golden color are more commonly used. Theme are related to the celebration of festivals and Rasik Priya, that is the poetry. Many portraits were also made in this school, and paintings, famous paintings of this school are portrait of Raja Sansar Chand, Nanda, Yashoda and Krishna with kinsmen going to Vrindavan, etc. And this is also in our syllabus. Kangra paintings are famous for their profile face, long eyes, sharp chin, and beautiful depiction of border are also seen. Portraits are natural and beautiful. Quality of naturalism is also there. Next school is Kullu Mandi. Kullu Mandi school is famous for their folk style of painting, mainly inspired by the local tradition. Paintings was flourished under the rulers of Kullu and Mandi. Artist is Sri Bhagwan, that is the main artist of that school. Mostly dark and dull colors are used. Themes are related to local folk style and portraits. Some famous paintings are the series of Bhagavata, Krishna lifting the Govardhan mountain, two girls flying kites, etc. Bold colors and tantric forms of goddesses are the features of Kullu Mandi school, and this school is influenced by Kangra style. Next sub school is Garhwal. Garhwal style has very close similarity to the Kangra style, or we can say Garhwal and Kangra style are commonly inspired by the Guled style. Patronage Maharaja Pradeep Shah and Pradyuman Shah. Artist Maula Ram and Chetu are very famous. Colors, mostly warm and cool colors are used in these paintings. Themes related to Krishna and Ramayana are the main subject of Garhwal painters. In paintings, Radha and Krishna looking into the mirror is very famous. Beautiful figures, clarity in expressions, peaceful backdrop, simplicity are the main features of Garhwal school. Next school is Chamba. Chamba is another hilly state ruled by many kings. Its early paintings have highly influenced by Basoli. The paintings of Chamba includes both miniature and murals. Artist Nikku and Durga patronized by the Raja Umed Singh and Raja Raj Singh. Colors, mostly primary colors means red, yellow and blue are used. Themes are related to religious Hindu culture. Famous paintings are Radha Krishna and Cosmic Dance of Shiva. effect of folk art is there. We can also see the Mughal influence. Hindu legends took priority. Fine borders are also seen. So students, now you all know about the Pahadi school. Students, whenever you have any question related to sub schools or development of any school of miniature paintings, you have to write about the king, artist, color scheme, theme, some paintings and features of the sub school in your answer. It is must. Okay. Now we will read about the characteristics of Pahadi miniature paintings. The another important question of Pahadi miniature painting. So important features of Pahadi miniature paintings are: first, depiction of women. You can see in the paintings that face of women are profile and round in shape. Their nose is almost in single line with forehead. Eyes are long and the chin is sharp. The second, linear beauty. Fine lines are used in most of the paintings for displaying rhythm and smoothness of the painting. Third point, depiction of nature. A detailed work has been done in making trees and other nature objects in the foreground as well as background. Artist shows trees, mountains, rivers, flowers, birds, etc. And so we can say that use of nature in the painting has been done beautifully. The fourth point, garments. Lehenga choli and transparent dupatta have been worn by women, and male have been turban and angarakha. And Krishna always shown in pitambar. Fifth point, romantic scenes. Many romantic scenes of Radha and Krishna have been shown in Pahadi paintings. Krishna symbolizes as a god, means Nayak, and Radha symbolizes as a soul, means Naika in many of Pahadi paintings. Ras Leela can be seen in most of the paintings. Next point, color scheme. You can see in most of the paintings, mostly primary colors have been used. Some other colors like grey, green and pink etc. are also been used. Red color border having influenced of Mughal style. Golden and silver colors are used in garments and ornaments. The last point is folk art. Natural scenes, especially trees, have been shown in folk style. This is generally found in Basoli, which later decreased in Kangra. So this is the origin and development with characteristics of Pahadi miniature paintings. Hope you understand. Thank you.